1. Start with a bare face. This way, you won't have to reapply foundation if you make a mistake, and you'll avoid smudging your foundation as you work on your eyes. Start by washing your face with your usual cleanser and applying moisturizer. 2. Cover your eyelids with a light layer of eyeshadow primer. This will help the color last and blend more naturally. Most eyeshadow primers come in liquid form, and can be applied with a soft makeup brush. If you want a subtle, less dramatic cut crease, use concealer instead of primer. 3. Apply a neutral eyeshadow to your brow bone and inner corners of your eyes. Using a fine-tipped makeup brush, carefully apply a neutral eyeshadow slightly lighter than your skin tone along the underside of your brow and in the inner corners of your eyes. This will make your eyes and brows look more defined. You can also keep the eyeshadow on hand to clean up any small mistakes or unwanted blurring when you apply the rest of your makeup. Check out the link description below.